What should we call this? Mission? What should we call this mission?
The calf jumped over the moon.
The calf jumped over the moon.
Mission calf drop.
Is there a safe word?
That's our safe word.
All right, here we go. Hey there, this is Lauren from rustichoney.com, and today I didn't have a project to share with you guys, but I thought it would be fun to take you along on a little project happening on our farm. We have a new addition to our little homestead, and I thought I'd share it with you. So we recently acquired a bottle calf. It came from my dad's farm. He also raises cattle, but he had a cow pass away one evening while giving birth to this very large calf, unfortunately, but it does happen. It was a very cold spell during this week, and we decided to take it on as a project for the boys. Okay, my nose is officially frozen. What do we gotta do first?
Get it some sunshine.
Get it some sunshine.
Get some milk in.
We gotta name him. It's a him, right? Just kidding. It's had colostrum a couple times, right?
Once.
Once? I thought you said twice.
You said once.
Okay, so the calf has had colostrum once and milk replacer a couple times?
Yep.
Okay, it's a day old, so we're gonna take it back, make it a warm little home with some hay, and see if we can't get it to come around.
See what happens.
See what happens. Hopefully it'll be a good project for the boys. Wow, it is really cold outside. The calf seems to be doing really well. He's like basically bucking around. He seems like he's feeling good in the sunshine, so that's good. Sorry, radio. Dan's gonna go feed some hay, and then if he has some hay left over, he's gonna put some more in to make a little bit more of a bed for him, and then we're gonna get him some more milk replacer, and he should be feeling good. Get something in his belly and get in the sunshine today. You guys think you can take care of a bull calf?
Yeah.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
He's pretty big. Think you can handle him? Show me how it works. What do you got to do?
Unfortunately, we got to stick this tube down the calf's throat. Pour the milk in.
Yep. Unfortunately, he wouldn't take a bottle. Only took a couple. I don't know, Dan, I wasn't here at the moment, but wouldn't take a bottle, Dan said. And so, unfortunately, we're going to have to try to force feed him and hope for the best. There is some risk involved in doing that, so we'll do our best. Did he drink though? So that's gotta make him feel way better. Aw, poor thing. Maybe that'll warm your belly. All right, well, I guess that's where we're gonna leave the beginning of the calf saga for today. He seems to have done okay. Hopefully tomorrow we can get him to drink some more milk and hopefully take a bottle. But we're gonna make a comfy home for him tonight, get a couple more things done, and hopefully by tomorrow we'll have a better update for you. Well, I guess day one went as smoothly as it could have. We did our best, but I thought that this was the best video I captured the entire time. Not that I laughed at all at my husband during this. How'd it go this morning? So he drank it all on his own. You didn't have to tube him at all? My husband's a mute. That's how we communicate. Yay! And so we were off to the races and ready to feed a calf twice a day now. Get ready to do the chores.
This is that Mom, can he go in?
She's fine. I can help her. She can help herself, isn't she? Stand still. You hear him sucking? Trying to sound like the hounds? Well, he acts like he wants it, right?
Yep.
Doing a lot better today. You guys. Oh, Nelson wants some action, huh? Hold on to the bottle good so he didn't pull it too much. Oh, you wanted more, didn't you? Was it good? Was that yummy? Definitely sucked the bottle dry this morning. Seems to be doing good. The boys are excited about their new project. Can you say hi? Sweet thing. All right, well, while I watched my husband do most of the heavy lifting getting the calf squared away, now you'll be finding me here in the mudroom almost every day, probably twice a day, helping the boys get bottles put together for our new calf. But I kind of secretly love it. It was one of my favorite chores growing up. Let me know in the comments below if you loved having a bottle calf on a farm as a child or have memories around it. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this. I would love to chat with you down below, and we'll see you next time.